frunk or bonnet or the front boot, they're just rubbish. Keep falling down and hitting them on the head. So the time has come to sort it out. So you lift it up, stick your head in, and that happens. Lame really. So I've got myself a piece of wood which I put here, and then it stays up. I got fed up doing that, so I bought these. I'll drop the link in the description, but I got them from, I think it was Porsche 911 parts or something. I'll drop the links in there. Also available on Amazon. New struts. Come as a pair. So a flathead screwdriver, small one. One. Two. Put the top one back on first. It's too high, we need to lower it down. Oh, so this one here has a hole. And there's the part numbers 997 551 55101. And there we go. So now we can take the wood out. So now I can lift it up and put my head in without having to hold it up. Lovely. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A quick 5-minute job saves only use a piece of wood to keep the frunk open.